The perfect gaming laptop. Asus ROG Zephyrus GX501. ROG Zephyrus is a progressive gaming PC conceived from ROG's constant commitment to advancement. Notwithstanding being more slender than all past ROG PCs, it has the equipment to match top-of-the-line gaming work areas. NVIDIA-registered GeForce registered GTX 1080 illustrations with Max-Q design, a 7th-generation Intel-registered Core processor, a discretionary 120Hz wide C-Show, and Windows 10 Professional. ROG thinned the body to an insignificant 16.9 to 17.9 mm while keeping up capable cooling on account of an astute new wind current plan, active aerodynamic system. The smooth body additionally incorporates a RGB console that will feel natural to gamers who ordinarily play on work area PCs. Ultra-thin and ultra-light with a thickness of just 0.7 inches, with the cover shut, and weighing just 4.9 pounds. Cutting-edge execution with GeForce GTX 1088 GB with Max-Q outline and Intel Core i7-7700HQ 2.8 GHz processor, turbo up to 3.8 GHz. Windows 10 Pro. Peaceful and cool highlighting ROG active aerodynamic system which enhances wind stream by up to 40% and lessens temperatures by up to 20% contrasted with customary cooling one. RGB gaming keyboard including Acer Aura innovation. Modify the QWER and WASD groups independently to adjust to MOBA and FPS titles. Quick SSD and RAM, including 512GB PG3X4 and NVMe 512GB SAM.2 SSD and 16GB DDR4 2400 MHz. 802.11 acres 2x2 Wi-Fi. Pyro vibrate 120Hz wide view Full HD show with NVIDIA G-Sync innovation. Highlights: thin and sleek with Max-Q design. Play IT cool. Console with Aura RGB. Extreme gaming performance. ROG Zephyrus is tied in with bringing inventive innovations and unfathomable gaming execution to ultra-thin, versatile, and all-mode gaming PC. Intel's 7th generation Core i7 processor and NVIDIA's GeForce GTX 1080 designs let the machine run toe-to-toe with the most no-nonsense gaming workstations, and even top-of-the-line work areas. Break every one of the principles with a genuine distinct advantage. ROG Hyperdrive for fast storage speeds. ROG Zephyrus highlights a remarkable 512GB Hyperdrive SSD in light of the most recent NVMe Express and PCI Express registered innovations. With ultra-quick access times and wrangling exchange rates, the M.2 drive loads recreations, applications, and other information at twist speed. Its abundant limit has plentiful capacity for all that you require. 120Hz display for impeccable visuals. ROG Zephyrus 120Hz show gives you a chance to appreciate extraordinarily smooth gaming at a genuine 120 edges for every second. Everything feels liquid, particularly quick-paced amusements. With wide review edges and 100% sRGB extent scope, the board likewise creates remarkable hues paying little heed to where you're sitting. Consistent gameplay with NVIDIA G-Sync. NVIDIA G-Sync innovation synchronizes the show's invigorate rate with the GPU's casing rate to make gameplay luxurious. G-Sync limits apparent faltering, diminishes input slack, and disposes of visual tearing, all without influencing framework execution. You get the smoothest, quickest, and most immersive experience over an expansive scope of diversions. Extreme VR experiences. Venture out into virtual reality. With the most recent NVIDIA-registered GeForce registered GTX designs, ROG Zephyrus conveys smooth, stammer-free VR execution with outline rates surpassing 90 FPS. Similarity with driving VR headsets like the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive let you effectively appreciate completely immersive VR situations. It's an ideal opportunity to investigate a radical new universe of recreations and encounters. Broad connectivity. Immersive sound.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies high.